Welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted by Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. Our guest today is decorating with jazzy green. The theme is winter white and silver. Okay, here is my tablescape, and I decided to do mainly birds. I had ordered these bird plates from Amazon. And I have a couple of birds here. One I painted, and the other one I bought at Home Goods. And my centerpiece is this flocked tree in a little vase. So here is one of the plates. Sing a song for joy. I had ordered this last year at Christmas time from Amazon. And then I just have a glass plate so that I can show off this really pretty white charger that has embossing around the edges. I think it is so pretty. Those I ordered from Amazon as well. And then as far as the napkin, I have this, it's more of a cream color napkin with a silver napkin ring around it. Both I've had for years. And a closer look at the centerpiece. It is just a winter tree in a small pot with greenery around it. And the candle is in a crystal candle holder with greenery around it. And here is a close-up of the bird. I had purchased the bird at the Dollar General, and it was just white. And so I painted it to look like the other bird. I think it turned out pretty good. What do y'all think? And here is the other bird. So I kind of think the one that I painted, I did really good matching it to this one. And the runner is actually two. One is a buffalo check runner, and on top of that, I placed a white lace runner, both from Amazon. And here in this little bowl, I have some cookies. Some of them are snickerdoodles that I baked myself, and the others are from the dollar store. I don't remember what they were called, but they were in a blue round tin, and they're very good cookies. Next, I have these hummingbird wine glasses. Those I've had for years. I believe I bought those from Avon. It has a frosted stem. Very pretty wine glasses. Now I just have two of those. Okay, here is the other plate with a red cardinal, and it says celebrate with love. So it was a setting of 4. And then the dinner plate, I've had these for years as well. And there's just little yellow flowers and greenery around the edge. And here I've used a silver charger. And as you can see, as far as the runner, I just layered. I layered 2. One is the buffalo check, and the other is a white lace. And here is another wine glass. And here is a wood wick candle. Whiskey and oak. This smells so good. My husband really likes it. It was a birthday gift from my son and daughter-in-law. So here's another look at the table and those yummy cookies. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching, and I want to thank Anna, Courtney, and our guest, Jazzy Green, for putting this Tablescape collaboration together. Be sure to check out the playlist and leave a kind comment and a like for everyone. So I hope you've got some inspiration here from watching my Tablescape for Tuesday. And if you like this kind of content, I encourage you to subscribe. Again, thank you all for watching. Bye-bye for now.